I'm about to go to Jamaica, and I want to explain the difference between Boho Braids and Bora Bora Braids, okay? Because we about to be looking like we mixed, child. So so we're starting off with freshly washed hair. Okay, and you must be wondering why I didn't take my braids out, because we want to work smarter, not harder, ladies. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and give you guys a quick rundown of this video before I get into it per usual. So I'm going to go ahead, and I like to do styles based off of my previous style. So your next style will, you know, be based off of what you had in, unless you're, you know, going to a stylist, then the takedown should be great, get it washed, and you just redo it. But because I do my own hair, I like to just go off, piggyback off of the last style. That way I'm saving myself time with preparation. Okay, so I'm currently putting in some oil, so that way when I do actually comb out the braid, I'm not going to leave it as is. I'm going to comb that braid out. It's all that buildup, if there's any left, I can easily comb it out. And from the protection of my ends, I did not do my annual trim last year. I just wanted to see what my ends was going to be looking like. And so I am putting this in my hair. I do put this in my products. So I just want to put it directly on my hair versus just using my products. That's only because I'm braiding my hair, but once I finish braiding my hair and combing everything out, I'll go ahead and use my products as I normally do. Okay, let me go ahead and explain while I'm preparing to do the first braid, and then I'll probably do the rest of my hair and then come back on camera and show one more in slow motion. So the difference is with Bora Bora hair, you want to imagine a tree. It's gonna be like tree braids, except it's not on your scalp like cornrows. It's gonna be just, you know, coming from a individual braid. So I'm doing knotless because knotless is just better, right? It looks neater, it lasts a little bit longer, and it's more natural. All right, cool. Also with Bora Bora braids, you're using a different textured hair. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm putting y'all on now. Listen, it's still bulk hair, all right? And this is what I'm working with, okay? This is what you want to get. The colors are beautiful, and I wanted to try these two colored, this is a copper, this is their copper, and then I'm also doing a 30. So let me go ahead and show you them side by side. Alright, and I just picked this up at my local beauty supply store. If yours doesn't have it, just shop online. And you see how deep the curl is? It is so pretty, but we definitely want it to be a tighter curl, and you want it to be not as loose as the original. So this is what we normally, or I normally use, this type of pattern. Even though it says deep bulk, that is not the curl pattern we are going for. Okay, so with boho, you use a looser curl pattern, and you also don't feed in as much human hair as you would with Bora Bora hair. Okay, also Bora Bora hair, you start feeding hair in literally at the base, so that way it covers the box braid. So my technique, when you're doing your hair, girl, you don't really, there's no, like, you can make up your own rules. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and do like the perimeter, right? Okay, boom, perimeter like so. And and that's gonna have the most density, meaning I'm gonna make sure I feed hair in for those braids. And then the middle, because I know I'm gonna wanna put a ponytail up and I don't wanna struggle to get it in the scrunchie, the middle's not gonna have as much human hair fed into that box braid. But then when I get to the front, I'm gonna have like my crown, so this front part, and a little horseshoe right here. This is gonna have the most hair fed in because from the top, we want it to look like it has volume. It has, you know, a lot of hair, and we want the style to be given what it's supposed to be given. But I also know that I like to put my hair up, and I don't want it to be struggling, and I also don't want it to just be too full. Okay, and I don't want to have a strong neck. That last hairstyle gave me a strong neck, and listen, yeah, your girl is tight, okay? But yeah, so let me get into this tutorial. It's basically boho but remixed, and it's gonna take a longer time, and you're gonna see what I'm rocking with. But it's basically to flush out the box braid. So for the thickness of the braid, you're not gonna use as much braiding hair. So say the braiding hair I'm gonna be using is this free tress braid, okay, and this is to go with the number 30. Alright, I'm not going to use as much hair. It doesn't matter the thickness of this. So if you're going for medium, you want to go for on the skinnier side, okay, the anorexic side, alright, because you're going to be feeding in hair, so it doesn't matter, and we're basically covering the braids. So I'm about to get into it. You'll see what I'm talking about, and then if you guys have any questions, leave it down below. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Always, if you are new, welcome to SWANK'D Nation. My name is SEANTAE Marie. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, whatever the case may be. And yeah, subscribe, boo.